What's the meaning of arroyo? Arroyo. Arroyo.
Arroyo. Arroyo. Arroyo is a Spanish word that refers to a narrow and steep-sided channel with intermittent stream flow, usually found in arid or semi-arid regions. It is often caused by flash floods that shape the landscape over time. Arroyos are important features of desert ecosystems, serving as water sources for animals and plants. However, they can also be dangerous during heavy rainfall due to the potential for flash floods. Overall, arroyos play an important role in the ecology of arid regions around the world.